click subscribe, hit the bell icon and never miss the update from SD's Chess World. Hello everyone, Namaste. Today's puzzle is going to be a really interesting one because this is the obvious problem which we face in endgames. So ready? Let's go for it. Okay, so here is a puzzle and we have white pieces and we just have to deal with a checkmate with the help of bishop pair and a knight. And good thing is this knight is really well placed because it is covering this b7 and a6 square. So we know king can move only for 2 square, that is a8 and a7. And there is a 5 move checkmate is available for white. So find the best move to checkmate a black in 5 moves. Go for it. Okay, so do you find it? If you find it, then congrats, and if you don't find it, then the first move is bishop to b2. And why this bishop to b2 move? As we know, king can go for only this 2 square, so we just have to put our bishop so that we can cover this 2 square. For that we move bishop on d2 and then we can go for a5 and we can go for b6. Now king has an option, he can go for a8 and a7. We will see both the variation. First king go for a8, then next move will be king to c7. Now black is restricted only for this 2 square, a7 and a8. So king goes for it, king to a7. After that we go for bishop to a5 as per plan, king to a8, bishop to c6, first check, and king goes for king to a7 and bishop to b6 is going to be a checkmate. Really amazing checkmate here. And let's see another variation. Let's go back. After this bishop to d2, if king goes for a7, then we will play same variation, only one move is going to be changed. Here we continue with king to c7, king goes to a8, then bishop to a5. Until here everything is same. King to a7 and finally we go for bishop to b6 check and king to a8 and bishop to c6 with a checkmate. Two bishops are covering this light and dark square, king is covering this b8 square, and it is a really nice checkmate. This is the condition we mostly face when we don't have a rook, and glad here we have a bishop pair, so it is going to be easy in 5 moves. It is going to be a little difficult if we have a bishop and a knight. So do you find this puzzle interesting? If yes, then go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also you can join me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, search for SD's Chess World, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.